we're now moving towards an inclusive society, right? And a lot of people think, oh, the inclusive society just means LBQ. I'm going to get into trouble. I'm going to get into trouble. But we know, right? Yeah. And, but that's not what inclusivity means. We're trying to include everyone. There shouldn't be anyone who feels like education is not available to them. If I'm blind, I should be able to learn just as well as someone who is sighted. If I can't hear, then I should learn just as well as someone who can hear, right? And so what I am trying, and I'm not telling you to do this right now, because it's not possible for one person to create all of this content at one time. One step at a time, sweet Jesus, right?
Right.
One step at a time. So what I did was I created some videos for my students, because videos are the easiest to create. Then, and that was content that I created some time ago. Then the next step that I did was to create, I call them textbooks, but it's just books with text. It's just simply text in there.
Yeah.
For those students, so if I'm blind and I have a reader, it can read it for me and I can still engage with the content, right? And then now the next thing that I'm going to be doing this summer is to use a software to convert those materials into audio.
Okay.
Because especially for me, I like it when I'm doing my housework. And I can listen to the content. I shouldn't have to be in front of a computer in order to learn. Yeah. I shouldn't have to be in a classroom in order to learn. That's, to me, that's not what learning is. You know, that's just trapping me in a classroom. Learning, I should be able to do it when I want to do it, because that's the type of society that we're in now. We're in an on-demand society. So when I want to learn, that is when I should be able to learn. So if it's 1 a.m. in the morning, I can learn at 1 a.m. in the morning. If I am doing my housework, I can get my learning done at the same time.
Right.
I'm inside a taxi, but I don't want to take out my textbook and read. I can pop in my earbuds and I can listen to the content, and I'm learning as I go along.
Yeah.